Hey there, it's Jer, and I have the ultimate beauty guide for you. This is the perfect time for you to refresh your beauty routine. Let's go. All right, you guys, the first product is gonna be from ELEMIS. This is their Japanese Camellia body oil blend. This is lightweight, and it's gonna condition your skin, giving you a supple and soft finish. I love this stuff. And in case you don't know how to use this, you're gonna be using this as soon as you get out the shower just to give yourself that nice supple finish to the skin. This is gonna really hydrate and it smells so good. Next product is gonna be from BYROE. This is their Kiwi Gel Cleanser. This is a triple acid exfoliating cleanser. It's gonna help to exfoliate and leave a glowy complexion underneath. This is the mother of superfood cleansers. You're gonna wanna bring this with you to your newest 2025 skincare routine. The next product is from ELEMIS. We love you, girl. This is the Overnight Replenishing Night Cream. You guys, this is the newest generation of creams. This is gonna help with collagen production. This is gonna target all the areas where you have that stress. If you're watching this, stop frowning because I already know you're making those lines on your forehead. You're gonna wanna use this at night, specifically after you wash your face. It has one of the most butteriest textures. Like, look at that. It's super thick, so you know that this is gonna really lock in that moisture. Perfect for the winter season. You're gonna love this Filter Effect foundation from MORPHE, formulated in Italy with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and glycerin to give you that plump and juicy skin. This is a medium coverage foundation, but if you wear powder, you'll definitely get that more matte 2016 glam. Or if you're looking for something more clean and fresh, mix this in with your moisturizer and you can really create that skin tint effect. Let's hop into color. This is gonna be the Laura Mercier Liquid Blush. If you wanna build that pigment up, all you gotta do is go in with another layer and you will be stunned. This is a perfect blush for anybody that's looking for something weightless and a 12-hour hydrating tint. You can use this on your lips, on your cheeks, and on your eyes. I am a blush lover, so we have another blush for you. This is the DANESSA MYRICKS Yummy Skin Cream Blush. This is actually probably one of my favorites because it has Upsolite, which is gonna help with blurring the skin. A little trend that we got going on here, blurring. Upsolite also helps with oil absorption. If you're combination to oily skin, this is perfect for you. Look at these little pods, you get so much product in there, and you can also use these on your lips, cheeks, and on your eyes. We love a multi-use product. All right, you guys, we're finally to my favorite part, which is eyeshadow. This is the Laura Geller You're Natural 12 Multi-Fine Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is gorgeous. It's literally perfect for all year round. The next product is from DERMELECT. This is their Smooth Lip Volumizer, infused with hyaluronic acid to visibly plump the lips without the stinging, of course. This product is gonna give you instant gratification as well as long-term benefits. Are you a fan of skin scents? Well, I have something just for you. This is the Rosie by Rosie Jane fragrance. It is a musky nude with rose oil infused. This fragrance is so unique, it molds to everyone's chemistry differently. Oh my God. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this beauty guide and felt inspired to refresh your routine for 2025. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, comment, subscribe to IPSY's channel, and we'll see you in the next one.